Namaste friends, welcome back to Feathershood. In today's topic, we'll be seeing the birds malnutrition. So many people are asking, one common question, sir, my bird is, I can feel that center bone of my bird. Guys, even the identifying the kneel bone is of 3 types. So if you're catching the bird like this, and if you're feeling something like, the center bone can be easily sensed through your hand, which means like bird is under malnutrition. So you need to give a maximum care to them. So what you can see and what can be done, everything I'll be helping you out naturally as well as through medicines. So why, how this malnutrition happens? So guys, malnutrition will happen with the following reasons. If you are giving only the seeds and not providing adequate vitamins and proteins to them on when they require, breeding birds before their actual age, when they're eating their own poop. So when birds eat their own poop, even these things happens. When chicks are not fed properly in their early age, when worms are inside the bird's stomach or liver or intestine, whatever it is. So these are the reasons why birds get malnourished. This is actually once again commonly called as sukha. Sir, many people are like, sir, my bird is under sukha, what can be done? Even I didn't knew that what is sukha and what is that. So certainly when I start mingling and start interacting about this topic with my avian friends, so then I came to know, okay, this is called malnutrition otherwise. So how to treat naturally? So give them high protein and fat content food, and give them sprouts every day, high fat content seed mix. So this is the natural method of taking out the birds from malnutrition. Once again, this natural, anything naturally takes very long time, something like 1 or 2 months. So in this situation, if you're left with a pair and if they start mating, then that will be a very big problem for a female bird. So when you're giving this type of treatment, make sure that you are keeping the bird separately away from the partner, and you can do this. So it will actually work. Maximally I try to take out them actively by this natural method. Only when it is not happening, then I'll go for medicine method. So how can we take it through medicine? So guys, here you need to hand feed them with the certain medications. So you should use pet life, and you will get a polybion syrup. You need to mix with pet life of 2 drops and Mox 250 mg tablet. You need to smash it properly, and you need to take a pinch of Mox 52 tablet, mix everything properly, feed around 5 ml or even less for an wild bird. Catch them, feed around 3 to 4 ml will be a really good handy to them, and do this cycle for 7 days. So this is where birds recover very fast through medicine, and you can take your bird away from sukha or malnutrition. So this is about the malnutrition nutrition of a bird. So what will be the possible symptoms to identify whether your bird is malnourished or not? So eating very less, feather pucking behavior, weight loss, bird will be sitting very lethargic on one corner of the perch, and once again they will not be that active. And also droppings you can see certain worms coming out of it also. So this is the symptoms guys. So do follow either natural method or medicine method. Or you can also follow one more method, that is deworming. Deworming, this is the right time, summer is the right time for to do deworming for birds, but make sure that they should not be mated. There should be no eggs in their womb or stomach, and they should be separated when you are doing this deworming. So deworming is also equally effectively works in this malnutrition, and birds should be more than 3 months old. You are not supposed to do for chicks. Bird should be more than 3 months old, so that you can do deworming. For example, you can see wings, he is actually bit malnutrition when compared to olives, because olives was eating more when compared to wings. So even during hand feeding, I used to feed more to olives and less to wings. So since wings was more pampered during his early childhood, during his small age, but I didn't wanted to do or repeat the same mistake to olives. Okay, so by seeing the bird and the weight of the bird, at least something like a wild guess, you can easily identify. Once again, it takes a lot of patience and practice. So this is about the small topic of birds malnutrition. So having said that, I do have multiple links like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. So you can follow me in either of the things. And guys, if you have any queries, you can also have a chat with me through Instagram with the same ID called Feathershood. So this is Chetan. Thank you once again.